Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to stop application from using our music files in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To stop application from having access to our music, we have to go to Settings. Then we are looking for Security and Privacy option here. And under Privacy, we have Permission Manager. Here we are looking for music and audio. Right now, 5 out of 15 installed applications have access to our music. Let's change it. Let's say, Chrome, I don't want you to use my music. Do not allow, back out. And now Chrome is not allowed to use our music files in our phone. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.